right, and this is huge news. As we speak, the Supreme Court has closed all the proceedings arising out of the demolition of the Babri Masjid all the way back in 1992. And just a second from now, we'll have a colleague join you with a lot more context on what this big development means. I'll wait just a second for that to take place. My colleague Ananya is with us. Ananya is our legal correspondent. Ananya, for audiences joining us right now, bring us context. Why is this monumental?
Well, this is a very, very monumental. This case has been pending for years now. And remember that these are the contempt cases that were filed against the Babri demolition in 1992. Now, the Supreme Court noted that the petitioner in this case died in 2010. And in fact, Mr. M.M. Kashyap, who was appearing today, said that in place of the petitioner, there should be a amicus that should be appointed. However, the court noted that due to the passage of time and the 2019 verdict, the Ayodhya verdict of the Supreme Court of India, clearly there is no room for this case to continue, and this has gone old with passage of time, and hence the Supreme Court closed all of these contempt proceedings. Remember that this is the particular case in which ex-UP CM Kalyan Singh had to go for a one-day imprisonment, and this is the particular case in which Supreme Court had directed him to stay in prison for one day. And now this case comes to a closure after a lot of years, and completely a very, very monumental decision coming in from the Supreme Court of India, a bench headed by Justice U.U. Lalit. The Supreme Court bench giving out a clear view that no proceedings shall continue into this particular case, and curtains have been closed down in this case.
Ananya, who was on the bench? My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar bringing us more updates. I think we may have actually lost our connection with him, but we'll try to re-establish that connection to try to understand more about this ruling as it's come in. Aspects that we still need to understand, obviously, include who were the judges sitting on the bench as the Supreme Court decided to quash it. We'd also look to understand what lawyers fighting the case have had to say, if we already have any statements coming in from lawyers. Right now, though, it is time for a short break for our audiences. We'll see you in just a few minutes on the other side.